Meaning of funhouse.
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 Funhouse. Funhouse is a term that typically refers to an amusement attraction or ride that includes various elements designed for entertainment and thrills. It may involve things like mirrors that distort one's reflection, obstacles to climb over or through, or moving platforms that create a sense of instability. The purpose of a funhouse is to provide a fun and exciting experience for those who enter it. Depending on the specific design, a funhouse may be more or less challenging, but the goal is always to create an environment that is enjoyable and entertaining.